Hello guys, my name is Nadia. Today I'll show you how to make a brim for the beret. How to make this brim. Okay, I will need two kind of yarns. One of them with the sharp end and another one with blunt end. I will need also a pair of scissors. For demonstration purposes, I will use purple beret and two kind of yarns. One of them will be waist yarn, and another kind of yarn you need to use exactly the same yarn like your hat. For demonstration purposes, I will use white yarn just to make more visible for you. Okay, the first step will be to roll beret and fix it by waist yarn. I will roll it hiding ends inside. This is about 2 centimeters wide. Okay, it's enough. Now, the second step will be to use the yarn we will be work with. I will use the same needle, put the yarn like I told before, the same color, like here, and start to form doing. The first step will be to secure my yarn here inside. I make it by 2 or 3 stitches. It's fixed now. I'm happy and roll it back. Now I see. The next step will be I will be grab stitches on the brim and match it with the stitches of the beret itself. So I will be working on this stitch, skip next and work in the next. Skip this one, skip this one and work in the next. Okay, I will start with it and join it here again. Now I need to skip this vertical stitch and enter my needle under the next one. Here I miss one stitch as well and enter my needle under the next one. Tight, a little bit tight. Again, here I skip this stitch and enter my needle here. A little bit tighten up. Again, skip here, enter needle here. This brim is a little bit narrow than this part of the beret. It means here number of stitches is less than here. So we will work 5 times here and then the special step will be, so I will work the next step, fifth one, and see, it looks like I need to join here, but I still back here. And now the special step 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so instead of skipping one stitch, I work into the next stitch and again skip here like I usually did. I repeat this moment again, not skipping here, working in the next, and skip here. So I will repeat now this pattern, making 5 stitches, 5 full stitches and 2 small ones. Again, to be able to make 5 full stitches, I skip one, enter my needle in the next, and make the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will make 2 small stitches. Again, for these purposes, I'm not skipping now this stitch, but working exactly into it. And here I continue to skip 1 small and 1 more small. So continue all the way around until you meet here, until you reach here. After that, I would advise you to change needle and hide the yarn here inside, exactly using this kind of needle. Your hiding will be perfect if you use it. Okay, I'm hoping this tutorial will be helpful for you. See you soon. Bye.